Hello viewers, you are watching CryptoBird channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification and update about crypto and crypto platform. Today guys, I am going to introduce you a huge DP project which is Pulse DP decentralized. You will find here the equipment of layer 3 swapping protocol. All the equipment will work by DeFi infrastructure. Yes guys, you are watching that. Decentralized layer 3 swapping protocol is a huge platform on DeFi. At the second point, we are finding that a DeFi platform for easy early stage liquidity bootstrapping. Pools for innovators and investor. Yes guys, pools for innovator and investor who have the creativity, can innovate something on DeFi, can join with us. An investor can invest easily on our platform. We are watching that four classification here: cross chain swap, burning mechanism, governance and staking. Yes guys, governance and staking is a part of DeFi. All DeFi project we are watching that included this, but it is something exceptional on Fool's DeFi. On the other hand, the fourth classification is Fool's Bridge. So guys, important note is that we are gather all four equipment here, which is so important for DeFi platform. And we are finding now DAO for financial auction. A financial auction is important things on DeFi where a platform works together on decentralized swap launchpad. We are finding here that a important option which is decentralized swap launchpad. We will able to auction here different kind of tokens. Investor can invest on this option. DAO will work on this platform. And at the end, the important thing, I need to say that this is the important and most of the DeFi platform we are not gather these four things. The four things is that direct sell pools. We will find here direct selling pools and time lock pools, multiple swapping pairs, and the most important thing, non-fungible token auction. We have seen earlier that Daegu project, which is one of the best project in recent past, and now this is Pulse here. We can see exceptional things on Pulse DeFi, something exceptional. Four things in gathered here in one platform, which is direct sell option, time lock pools, multiple swapping. I never seen any DeFi project gathered all these four things. So we think that it will be a huge platform in near future. We are now on roadmap. Already we have seed round sold of as I know, $0.2 million sold out in road in seed round sale, and private sale is coming. Permissionless listing on Q1 2001. Governance and staking will be started, and the last one is Pulse platform launchpad. We will find DAO on Q4 stage. So the roadmap is so clear, and we think that we will definitely achieve our goals. At the end, I am scrolling up all the stage here. You can find the liquidity sales, swapping, rewards, everything on here. I will put down all the important links on my video description. You can easily get into it and can invest on it. Here we can find the token sell option. You can see the token distribution option here on token option. At the end, I just want to say that it will be huge platform. So guys, you can invest here freely. At the last, I want to say guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and thanks for advance to invest on our platform.